This vegan sushi bake is so cozy and delicious, you're gonna love it. Remove the cap from king oyster mushrooms, slice those and put them aside, then slice the rest of the mushroom in half and put the flat side down. Rake that with a fork all over until you get a nice pulled texture. Cook those over medium heat with some soy sauce. They're gonna release a bunch of water. Keep cooking until it evaporates. Then in a bowl, add silken tofu, rice vinegar, sriracha, and vegan mayo, and mix it up until it's kind of a lumpy texture. It's fine, it's gonna be delicious. Add the cooked mushrooms and mix those in as well. That's your top layer done. Now add cooked sushi rice to an oven-safe pan. Mix that with toasted sesame oil, salt, and rice vinegar. Press that down into an even layer and then rip up bite-sized pieces of nori sheets and overlap those over the top. Add dollops of the top layer and spread that out evenly before putting it in the oven to get nice and golden on top. Top with some fresh green onions and sesame seeds. I also like to serve it with cut up radish and cucumber, and it's super delicious inside of a seaweed snack. I hope you make it because